Fit like abdee. I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to Fishing Things. Now, vannacht I'm going to be making soup, and I'm a skulrey. It's that time of year that I like to make soup, and I make a great big pot of it, and it's handy for my taking out in the body to keep my finger warm. Now the ingredients I've got is, I was actually wanting to put in a whole chukkin. I usually put a whole chukkin on, but there wasn't a small enough chukkin in the shop. So I've got chukkin legs, because I like a brown meat, and there's a good bit of stock comes out of them, makes a good stock. And I've got broth mix, and a heap onions. They're small onions, so I'm putting in 4 of them, because I like my onions. And carrots, and I'm putting in a lyke. Now, if you're making broth, I don't think folk usually puts in a lyke, but I like a lyke, so I'm going to put that in, so I like that in. Now, there's nothing to it making a soup. Fine and simple. You just fling everything in, let it simmer away for about an hour and a half, and that's it. Fine and simple, and it makes a lovely smell, and it goes round your head like a hairy worm. There's not really a special order throwing this soup together, so I'm going to start by just flinging the chukkin legs in. Now, I didn't put in a stock, because the chukkin legs make a good stock anyway. Or the fat and that will come out of them and mix with the soup. It's beautiful. Now, this was some bacon that I had in the fridge, you know, so I'm going to fling that in. Now, you didn't need to fling bacon in, but it just adds to it. Bit of more flavour and more stock. Put the ring on flat out and pour in boiling water. That's a stock, look, coming out of all the goodness coming out of the chukkin legs, and a bit of bacon already. Now, as I say, you didn't need to put in a bit of bacon. I just had that lying about, so I flung that in, and waste not, want not. I'm going to do the carrots next. You don't need to. You could do the onions next, or the lyke, or the heap. But I'm doing the carrots next, because they're nearer now. Right. A lot of folk pare their carrots, but I just scrape them. I just give them a scrapey like that. And it saves wasting a good bit off them if you're paring them. I'm just using the back of the knife to just give them a scraping. As you can see, that's how it comes off the carrot when you give them a scrape. So there's not a lot of waste. And then just chop them up like that into small bitties. And fling out then. I just cut it down the middle, and then a couple of cuts right down him, down that half, and then just chop him up. I've had to open the back door. The lens of the camera was steamed up with the soup boiling. Now I'll turn it down a bit now, easy. Let it simmer a while. Now watch my carrots in. I've put in 4 good sized carrots. I've got a big pot of soup, you see, so depending on the size of the pot of soup you're making, just put less stuff in. I've put in 5 carrots if you want more carrots, or 3. Yeah, just suck yourself. Just fling in for just a second to your own taste. I'm going to want to put in a broth mix. Now the recht way to do this is you're supposed to steep this stuff for a few hours anyway. Some folks steep it on echt. It's dried lentils, split peas and stuff, and barley. So I've just held it into the soup and let it do its thing. Okay? But the rest way, as I say, is to steep this stuff in water for 2 or 3 hours or overnight. Okay? It's up to yourself. But I just fling it in. Now it's plenty. I've poured in maybe just less than 1/3 of that at the bag, because as I say, it swells up, and if you used to put that whole bag in there, then it would all get solid. This stuff would swell up and your whole pot of soup would just get solid and a solid lump, and you need a saw to cut it. So I've put in about 1/3 of that bag, which is a fair bit. Yeah. So, but that's more than enough. Now to cut up a nip, what I do is I pare my nip first. Just like paring a turkey. A recht fijn smelling nip is. Mine's been Halloween. When I was a bairn, we used to make our Halloween lanterns out of the nips. Used to carve them out and put a face on them and a candle inside. And that smell brings back that memory. Anyway, I pare my nip, but it can be really chough to do if you're not going. Cut them in half. Now there's a big half and a small bit. I'm just going to put in this bigger bit, and I'll keep this bit for something else, for making something else. But this is plenty to put in our soup. It's more than enough. Nou, add that to the soup now. Now what's the last to nip? Then a suppy salt and a suppy pepper. This is fun. It would be awful handy if you was a recht chef. You can't recht way to chop things up. Look at all that bunny colour. Beautiful. The last thing I'm putting in is my onions. But I mean, you can put them in first if you want. It's going to make no difference. Just fling everything in any order you want. The soup still comes out the same. Then your onions. Now it's onions in. You have a wee stirry up. You stick in a suppy meer heat water to get up to about that level. Now I'm just going to let that simmer away for about an hour and a half, something like that, 12 hours maybe, and that's it ready. You can eat it after that, but it's best leaving to the next day, because the next day it thickens, and that's when you get the best of the soup. I get that small containers and I fill this of the soup. Well, not recht full because it expands, but I put soup in here, maybe 3/4 full, and I freeze them. I've got my wee soup flask that I take out in the boat. So it's fine to have a warm cup of soup out in the boat when you're out at this time of year, it's awful cold. So these containers, they just had a perfect amount to fit in that wee soup flask. So it's ideal. Well, my wife, she buys these things for some way. I don't know where she gets them, and she actually uses them to measure out the dog food, the dried dog food. It mixes with the tins of dog food, and she measures them out in these things. But I use them. I use them for my soup. Just half similar to the Chinese carry-out things. They're just perfect. In fact, I think that's a Chinese carry-out in. That seems a wee bit deeper. But that's just perfect. That does the job fine. Well, but that's a soup done. Really simple to do. Just fling everything in. You don't need to make it with chukkin. You can put in beef or pork or something like that. Anything you want. After about an hour and a half, you can take a chukkin legs out of it, and you can put bitties of chukkin back into it if you want. But I actually use the chukkin legs for another meal, or sometimes I make sandwiches for with the chukkin to take out in the boat. So the chukkin's lovely when it comes out of here, because it's fine and it fast to bits. Lovely flavour. You wouldn't believe the lovely smell coming off that soup. Beautiful. It's a right haim smell to hear in your skulrey. Ina Baxter would be proud of me. Mind, if you enjoy my videos, mind and like them, and subscribe to my wee channel, Fishing Things. That's it for now. Take care, abdee. Watch yourselves. I'll catch you after.